In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align objects in Adobe Illustrator. By the end, you'll know the simplest way to line up multiple shapes, icons, or text so your layout looks clean and professional without guesswork. Start by selecting the objects you want to align. You can click and drag a selection box around them, or hold Shift and click each one if they're spread out. A quick visual check helps here. Make sure only the items you intend to move are highlighted, because alignment will reposition all selected objects together. If you're working with grouped items, remember that Illustrator treats a group as a single object, so ungroup if you need to align elements individually. Next, open the Align panel, go to the top menu, choose Window, then click Align. If you already see the panel on your screen, you're good to go. You can dock it wherever it's comfortable, so it's always handy for future projects. Keeping this panel visible is a small habit that speeds up your workflow considerably. With your objects selected and the Align panel open, choose how you want them to line up. Align Left will pull every selected object to the same left edge, matching the leftmost object in your selection. This is ideal when you want a crisp left margin for text blocks, buttons, or icons. Align Center positions all selected objects along a single vertical axis, centering them relative to each other. This is useful for building symmetrical layouts or stacking items evenly. Align Right will snap everything to the same right edge, following the rightmost object in the selection, which is perfect for creating a consistent right margin. By default, Illustrator aligns relative to the selection, meaning it looks at the outermost edges of what you've highlighted. That's usually exactly what you need, and it keeps changes predictable. If the result surprises you, press Undo and double-check that you selected the correct items before trying again. A few practical tips to keep things smooth. Zoom in slightly before aligning so you can clearly see edges snap into place. After aligning, nudge objects with the arrow keys if you want a subtle adjustment, and keep an eye on smart guides if you have them enabled, as they'll confirm alignment visually. Finally, don't be afraid to toggle between the three options to compare looks. Sometimes a centered alignment reads cleaner than a left or right alignment depending on your composition. That's all there is to it. Select your objects, open the Align panel, and choose Align Left.